Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new biscuit review. In today's video we are going to review the Parle Marie family pack, which is a big pack of Marie biscuits from the company Parle. And we are going to review this package. What is the price? We are going to tell you all what is the price of this package, how many packets of biscuits do you get in, like what is the net weight of the package, and various other information. So stay tuned for the same. So guys, here is the Parle Marie family pack, which is available in markets right now, and today we are going to review this. So first of all, starting with the review, let's look at the packaging of the product. The product comes packaged in a carry bag packaging here, which has a handle here to carry it easily, so you don't need to have another bag to carry the package Parle Marie biscuit along with you when you come shopping at a supermarket. So it comes with a carry bag convenience here. Then it comes in a very typical yellow color for the Marie biscuit from Parle. It uses a yellow color for the Marie biscuit with a hint of red here as well. So common colors for the Marie biscuit, you can see yellow, red and blue. Here is the Parle branding right here. There's the Parle branding, and here is the name of the biscuit, which is Marie. Then they have illustration of the Marie biscuits here. They have illustration of the Marie biscuit right here. And it says that there are 4 stay fresh packs inside. So there are 4 packs of biscuits inside this huge family pack that we have here. Moving on the side, here we have again the Parle Marie branding given here with the biscuit illustration. Coming on the back side of the pack, again the branding is mentioned here. Again they have mentioned that there are 4 stay fresh packs inside. Right here they are given the best before date, which is 6 months from packaging. So the shelf life of the product is 6 months from packaging, which is quite good. The total net weight of this product is 800 grams, and this packet is priced at rupees 100. So rupees 100 for 800 grams of Marie biscuit is what you get. So the MRP is rupees 100 here. This is a pure vegetarian product. So there's a vegetarian mark given here. More to it is they are given the different license numbers of the Parle company here, and their customer care number is given here. If you have any issues with it, you all can definitely give them a call on the customer care number. So yeah, this is all the info available on the outer packaging. Let's go ahead and see how are the biscuits packed inside. So I'll just tear this packet open right now. So they have a very tough packaging here, very nicely packaged. I'm not able to tear it open with my hands, so I might need a pair of scissors for this to get the job done. So yeah, so let me get a pair of scissors. Guys, here I have cut open the Marie biscuit packet, the Parle Marie packet here, and we can see that there are 4 200 gram each Parle Marie packets, individually packed packets inside here. So here we have it, 2, 3 and the 4th one is here. So we have got 4 individually packed Marie biscuits packets inside. So there's a silver color packaging that comes inside. Again there's a Parle branding here and the Marie branding on the packaging inside, and then the packaging here. Then there's a warning here: this pack should not be sold individually without the outer package. For mandatory labeling information, refer to the outer package. So yeah, so these packets are not available for sale. They are only available as a family pack. So this is in a silver packing here. So we need to see the biscuit, we need to open this packaging. So you get a total of 4 200 gram packs inside the Parle Marie family pack. So quite a good way of packing it up. Like you don't need to buy multiple smaller packs for your use. You can buy this family pack and then use it for the whole family, and you can store it because each of them come individually packed, so you can easily store it without the biscuit getting soft. So yeah, that was my review about the Parle Marie, which is a product launched by Parle, and it has a new family pack now, which offers you a 800 gram pack along with like a carry bag packaging. So yeah, this was my review. Let me know your reviews on the same in the comment section below. And if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing biscuit reviews.